The kindling wonder blossomed within Lois' mind. She pondered the boundless variety of thoughts, each reflecting like a thousand torches glimmering upon the altar of hope. The birth and bloom of happiness in its purest form expanded her heart with gentle radiance. Lois diversed and animated the spirit of culture, her pride and grace forming a portrait of exquisite beauty. Lois emerged as the heroic dawn of her age, her gallant manner etching deep, tender impressions upon every heart. A thousand soft fires burned in her presence, her mind an empire of dreams. The world seemed illuminated by her calm assurance, her affection tempered with strength, restored serenity to troubled souls. The romantic essence of this gracious woman charmed the senses, like music heard through moonlight. Her vivid blue eyes carried the calm of deep seas and the sparkle of youth's endless promise. Loie became more than a name. She was a philosophy of light. The courage of Loie flowed through her veins, anchoring grace with quiet power. She touched the spirit of time with elegance, renewing the old world with her youthful fire. And when her gaze met the horizon, it was as though eternity itself paused to admire her. Loie, the living wonder of radiant mind and everlasting hope.